Ask them, they don't understand.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Excuse me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep running. Somebody was trying to take the mail.
Seriously?
Dead serious.
We got some petty thieves riding around stealing people's patio furniture. This is the second video I've seen them in.
Pretty sure you're gonna fucking tell me no, right? Come on, son. Fuck me. Really? Please do.
We can't answer the door right now.
This guy's a complete POS. When the worker goes in the back, he steals his tip money. Don't forget about your other options. This lady comes out just a little too late to catch this guy.
Using Toast or has a location, that
Ask them, they don't understand.
No, other fellow's there too. I'm just trying to get my things too and go home.
This guy's refusing to leave.
Sorry.
It's crazy when the police isn't a threat anymore.
I'm calling the police. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Oh!
Don't forget to keep your doors locked. The owner of these vehicles left all of their cars unlocked. Also, try to refrain from keeping your personal information in your car. Check this guy out. 4 in the morning, he's just standing on these people's porch, looking at a bunch of guys. Must be another grinder situation. I'm learning. Please be aware of your surroundings. This lady gets carjacked. Make sure you keep those doors locked. We always got some late night door checkers. Not sure what they got going on.
Right.
If you have to leave your stuff outside, please at least try to lock it up. We're making it too easy for these guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. We just hit 2,000 subscribers. I really cannot thank you guys enough. I just hope you guys continue to grow with me. Feels like I've been saying it for the past 3 months, but the holiday season is here. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been ordering things or getting ready to see what kind of gifts you about to send out. Check out the Amazon lockers, PO boxes. You can get boxes sent to your job instead of, your home, just in case somebody might take it. I know I say this a lot, but I really appreciate you viewers. Please be safe out there and enjoy your holiday. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe.